Chairperson of the Credentials Committee, you have the floor, please.
President, following its interim report on the first day of this 42nd session of the Assembly, the Credentials Committee has had two other meetings. Yesterday, the 26th of September, and today, the 27th of September. The committee examined the additional credentials received for delegations of member states after its first meeting. At the closure of the Registration and Credential Center this morning at 8 a.m., 191 delegations of member states which are in attendance were found under valid credentials. The committee wishes to commend the member states for this outstanding and unprecedented level of representation. Furthermore, the committee noted from Working Paper 40 presented by the ICAO Council, Working Paper 40 Revision Number 1, Addendum Number 1, that out of the 191 member states which are duly represented with valid credentials, 6 of them are in arrears and have had their voting rights suspended in the Assembly. Accordingly, 185 member states have their voting rights confirmed for today. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Chairperson of the Credentials Committee, for this information.